Hello and welcome to IM Labs. Today we will show how to make a smart home using Cisco Packet Tracer. So let us go to Cisco Packet Tracer. So this is my Cisco Packet Tracer. From here, first of all, we will select the IoT device inside which we have a home gateway. This will be the centralized device which will connect and control all other end devices which I will connect in my smart home. So now let me take some end devices. So let me take a window and let me take a ceiling fan. So these are the two devices, and now I will need a smartphone which I will use here to connect and control all the other devices. So let me choose the smartphone. Yeah. Now what we need to do is, first of all, we will change the name. So this one will be fan, this one will be window. Now we will connect both the fan and the window to the home gateway. For doing that, we will go to the advanced tab, and in the IO config tab we will select the wireless interface, and this is the name of the wireless interface. As soon as I will do that, you can see that the fan got connected to the home gateway. We will repeat the step for the window also. So now both the window and the fan is connected to my home gateway, and let me consider this is my living room. This is my living room area. So here we have got our living room area. Now for controlling all the devices, we will connect this smartphone to the default home gateway. For that we need the SSID of the home gateway. So I will go to wireless and copy this SSID, and then I will open the smartphone config. From here I will select wireless 0, and in place of the SSID I will give this SSID. Now you can see that the smartphone will also get connected to the home gateway. Next is that we need to register these two devices inside the home gateway, and we will control the gateway using this app called IoT Monitor. This is the default credentials of the app, so I will click on login. Now you see there are no devices listed here because we haven't registered these devices to the home gateway. So let us do that. We will go to the config tab, scroll down, and under the IoT server we will select home gateway. We will do same for the window also. Now if we open the IoT Monitor app of the smartphone device, it will take some time, but all the devices will get listed here. So the fan is already listed, the window will also come. Yeah, so here is the window. Now you see we can control both the devices from here. Let me turn on the fan. So the fan has turned on. This is in low speed. Now let me go to high speed. Also for the windows I can open and close them. So this was the configuration for the living room. Now let us take a bedroom. In the bedroom let us keep a AC, and let us keep a door for the bedroom. So same process, let me rename these two devices. So this is our AC and this is our door. Next we will go to the advanced tab and again select the wireless interface. The door is connected. Now I will connect the AC, and inside the config tab I will select home gateway. So therefore all the configurations have been done and both the devices are connected. Let me again open my smartphone and go to the IoT Monitor. It will take some time. Both the AC and the door will also get connected to the gateway. The door is here. Let me lock so the door is locked now. Now let me unlock. So the door is unlocked. Now let's wait for the air conditioner. Yeah, so the AC is here. Now let us turn on and off the AC. You can see that the red light is blinking. So this is how we can create a and configure it and control it using a smartphone. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.